Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past.
Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a small tutorial. I have a video with green screen. I am going to remove this green screen and add new background. Also add After Effects template. To create a solid background, we can use Photoshop. Choose the pixels. Select gradient from here. Select colors. You are free to choose any color. Export this picture. Add to Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, select Effects and search here Ultra key. Drag it to the video layer. Note the background please. Now select the key color. See background gone. Sometimes it still keeps some parts on the video layer. You can get clean picture with adjust from here.
Loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on.
Let's add some lower thirds. We can create lower thirds with After Effects. Here are some After Effects lower thirds. After create this lower thirds, save it as an After Effects project file. To add this After Effects to Premiere Pro, select project files from here. Now you can add After Effects. Then drag the After Effects file to here. After adding After Effects template, you can see After Effects files like videos. Add the After Effects files to the top of the video layer. Then you can make changes to lower thirds, such as change size and rename texts.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. And I'll take some time, but I'll be alright. We're moving on. We're moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. We're moving on. We're moving on. We're moving on.
full tutorial, comment me below. Thank you. See you again.